everybody, I am Morgan Adams and welcome to the Nuclear Show. Today we have two contestants, so let's welcome our first guest, Tim Drake.
Hello!
Alright Tim, now as always, there are rules to this wonderful game. Now we will go to the page of questions. Now, each question says how many points you will earn from the chosen question. At the end of the show, we will compare points to the other contestant. If you win, then you win $10,000. Now, are you ready to blow?
Yep.
Then let's go. Choose a question.
Mystery 400.
What sign is this?
The sign of nuclear power?
Correct. Choose another question.
Uses for nuclear power 100.
Is nuclear power a safe or non-safe way to make electricity?
Non-safe?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Choose another question.
Atoms 200.
What is the process called when you combine atoms?
Fusion.
Yeah, I think that's correct. Correct. Choose another question.
Pros and cons 100.
What illness can people get with radioactive waves?
Cancer.
Correct. Choose another question.
Uses for nuclear power 300.
Today, what works on the principle of nuclear fission?
Electricity?
Correct. Choose another question.
Pros and cons 100.
What? We already did this question. You may not do this one again.
Alright.
Choose a different question.
Uses for nuclear power 400.
How much of the world's electricity comes from nuclear power?
20%?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Choose another question.
What is nuclear power 100?
How are power plants found at night?
I know towers are found by lights, so I'm guessing lights on the power plant?
Correct. Time's up. Your total is 1,300. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good at myself.
All right, we will call you back at the end of the show. We'll be right back after the commercial break. Hello and welcome back to the Nuclear Show. Let's bring back our second contestant, Nikki Kingston.
Hola, can I say I'm a big fan?
Well, thank you. Now, do you remember the rules?
Yes,
Well, okay. You ready to blow?
I am ready to blow up.
That's strange. But okay, let's go. Choose a question.
Pros and cons 300.
Is nuclear power safe and powerful or not?
Nuclear power is both safe and powerful.
Correct. Choose another question.
Mystery 400.
What sign is this?
It's the sign of nuclear power. Stay away.
Correct.
What is nuclear power 200?
Nuclear power is made of atoms. What are their charges? We need that big one.
Negative, positive. And stable.
I'm sorry, you got negative and positive, and the other one was no charge at all. So you got that wrong. Next question.
Mystery 500.
Why do they use this instead of the original?
Because it's bright.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Choose another question.
Uses for nuclear power 200.
How much of the world's power comes from NP?
16%.
Correct. Choose a question.
Pros and cons 400.
What does radioactive affect and how does it affect it?
Radioactive energy affects people, animals, and it affects it by serious illnesses and sometimes fatal incidents.
Correct. Time's up. Your total is 1,600. All right, now let's call back our first contestant, Tim Drake. Tim?
Hi again.
You guys ready to see who wins?
Yep.
All right. The winner is Nikki Kingston. Yay! Check out in just a second. $10,000 for you. All right. We'll see you next time back on the Nuclear Show.
Congratulations.
Finally, my life dream.
You're holding it upside down. Other way. Congratulations.